Hi, my name is Cassie Sulzby, and I'm going to tie a Rainey's Bead-Back Scud, size 14 on curved strip hooks. Start off with 5 gold beads, midge size. You start at the front of the hook. About 1/8 of an inch of thread. And you segment the body with about another 1/8 of an inch between each bead. And you want to build a little bit of a base between each bead.
Because the thing's full of light.
And you want the last bead to be right at the top of the bend of the hook.
Get some fish, put in the freezer, get somewhere I can catch.
Between each bead, you're going to dub, tan scud dubbing.
Not me. No.
Very little. You want to roll it, place it over the thread,
What kind of bow do you have?
and do a few wraps.
Maybe crowd 17.5 foot.
Get a fly? Alright.
We might try to do that next month or so.
Right now, it's just find something structure, some things down there.
Tie it off.
I wanted to do some
Now you want to trim your dubbing exactly at the point of the hook. And there you go.